Hydraulic toe jacks are designed to lift heavy loads that are low to the ground. Why make the investment in a GKS hydraulic toe jack? First, the lifting toe on our jack is made of forged steel, which is 30% stronger than cast steel found on other jacks. This means a safer, more durable toe jack for you. Second, our toe jack has an adjustable toe, which allows you to not have to pump the jack to get the toe to the right level. This not only saves you time, but also allows you to get the full lifting height of the jack at each level, meaning less blocking of the load. Third, both the toe and head of the jack feature non-slip components to them, helping maintain a solid connection to the load. Also, our jacks feature less parts than comparable toe jacks, and this streamlined design means more time spent lifting and less time spent fixing. All of our equipment is made in Germany and is backed with a 5-year warranty. We warehouse all of our equipment in Springfield, Ohio, ready to ship within 24 hours. When you're moving heavy loads, make the investment in high-quality rigging equipment to move safely and efficiently. Trust, responsiveness, quality. That's what you can expect from GKS.